Welcome to AI Controller. Feeling overwhelmed? AI can be your superhero in your daily life. Ditch the chaos. AI assistants manage schedules, prioritize tasks, and even suggest new ones. Shop smarter. Discover new favorites with personalized recommendations, one-click checkout, and AI price trackers. Be a fitness guru. Get personalized workout plans, track progress with AI-powered apps, and optimize your health with wearable data analysis. Unleash creativity. Overcome writer's block, generate designs, and compose music, all with the help of AI tools. Travel like a pro. AI creates customized itineraries, translates languages in real time, and the future holds AI travel assistants. Embrace AI. Explore the tools and conquer your day. Like and subscribe. Share your AI experiences in the comments.